In this video, we are going to see how we can deactivate our Facebook account, whether temporarily or permanently, and whether you are using it on iPhone or Android. The procedure is pretty much the same. All you have to do is just click on the top right hand corner and click on the three lines, and under there in the settings and privacy option you see settings. Click on that. From here you choose the first option, that is account center. Under your account section, choose that, and from here we choose manage accounts. You choose the account, click on manage, and here you get two options: deactivation or deletion, or memorialization. So after you pass away, you hand over some of the controls to other people so that they can post on your behalf on your profile, just to keep you active in their memories and so on. So let's continue with the deactivation. Click on the deactivation or deletion, and here we have two options. Deactivation, just remember that it is temporary, and deletion is permanent. And in the deactivating process, your account and main profile will be deactivated. From name and photos will be removed. From most of the things you've shared, you should be able to use the messenger in this case. So you can read through all of these instructions and click on continue, and it will ask to confirm your password, which we quickly did. This is temporary, I will be back, and you can choose any of the options you like, and after that just hit continue. Automatically reactivate my account in 7 days. You can set the time period here as well. Don't reactivate automatically, you can set it to that as well. Click on continue, and finally you just choose deactivate my account from the bottom. This process might take some time, and after that it will log you out of the screen, and that is all we have to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.